What is political thought? Political thought refers to the ideas and reflections on politics and governance developed over time by various thinkers, societies, and cultures. It is not necessarily the product of professional philosophers or political scientists but may include contribution from religious leaders, poets, reformers, and rulers. It is descriptive and historical in nature. It reflects how people have understood politics in different times and places. It has a wide scope. It includes both Western and non-Western ideas, ancient to modern ideas, and can come from philosophical, religious, or even literary sources. It focuses on the historical development of political ideas, often shaped by cultural, religious, and historical contexts. It uses historical and contextual analysis. It examines texts, speeches, scriptures, and cultural traditions to understand political ideas. It aims to understand how political ideas emerged and influenced societies across time. What is political theory? Political theory is a systematic and logical analysis of political principles, institutions, and concepts like liberty, equality, justice, and power. It aims to explain and sometimes prescribe political behavior and systems. It is analytical and explanatory. It deals with both normative, what ought to be, and empirical, which is, aspects of politics. It has a more focused academic scope. It studies political systems, ideologies, institutions, and political behavior in a systematic way. It focuses on clarifying political concepts, building theoretical models, and understanding how political systems function. It employs logical reasoning, conceptual analysis, and in some cases, empirical methods and data. It aims to explain and interpret political concepts, systems, and practices. What is political philosophy? Political philosophy is a branch of philosophy that deals with fundamental normative questions about the state, authority, justice, rights, and the ideal political order. It is normative and speculative. It is concerned with the why, rather than the how, of political life. It has a narrow but deep scope. It deals primarily with universal questions of justice, rights, freedom, and the legitimacy of authority. It focuses on moral and ethical reasoning about politics, seeking to determine what kind of political arrangements are just and desirable. It uses deductive reasoning and moral argumentation. It draws from ethics and logic to explore foundational political questions. It aims to discover and justify the most just, moral, or ideal political arrangements.